All right, I promise I'm not trying to sell you any products or anything. I'm just trying to share my experience of unclogging drains after having a family using this bathroom for the last 12 years. So this is it right here. This is the product. Instead of trying Drano or one of those chemicals when your drain gets slow, as you can see right now, my drain's a little bit slow. It's starting to back up, so I'm trying to catch it before it gets bad. So the problem is not some big clump of hair way down in the pipe somewhere. It's this nasty stuff, and I'm sorry if you're squeamish. You're gonna see some nasty stuff here, so maybe turn away. But this is what it is this black gunk that develops after months of washing hands in here and brushing teeth and stuff, and then the hair gets caught in it. It's pretty nasty stuff. So that's what is lining the walls of your pipe in there, and that's what this handy guy right here is for. So this is just about 3 feet long. I think I got this for like $10, I think, on Amazon or at the hardware store or something. It's got this stiff brush here, and you just run the water and jam this down the drain and clean that stuff out. So I'm gonna run the water here. Now, this has a flexible neck right here to make it through the curves of the P-trap or the S-trap, whatever you might have going on, to get past the bell housing right here. So this sink has this thing back here to run this stopper right here to go up and down. So you got to get past that. So this flexible neck is meant to get by that. So just kind of get it up and down. So already I'm hitting that rod that holds the stopper, so I need to get past that. And just kind of angle it to one side. Alright, so I'm past that. So now I'll just keep moving up and down. If you've ever cleaned a chimney with a chimney sweep, it's the same idea. You're just kind of moving it up and down, getting all that gunk off the side walls. And I'll bring it out here just to give you an idea. So you can see it's catching the hair right there and all that nasty black stuff. So that's what it's moving through the pipe. So I gotta get past this stopper again. And now I can feel I'm hitting my P-trap down there where it curves. So I'm feeling it push through that. And I'll just keep working it. That's that. Pull it up. This is the kind of stuff that's pulling out of there. And then of course I'll clean off my stopper itself. You can use the same brush here. Clean this brush off at the end here. Pull the hair out. You get the idea. Get all this stuff down the drain. So now I've got a nice clean drain going. You can see it's not backing up at all anymore. Clean this off one more time. And there you go, no more stoppage.